Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. If you want to reset your password or change your password on Plenty of Fish dating app, then let me show you how. Open your web browser and type in www.pof.com and hitting enter, it will take you to the official site of Plenty of Fish dating app. Now to change your password, first you need to go to your my profile, which is gonna be on the top bar of this web page. Click on it and click on edit profile. Now if you scroll down to this edit profile, and as you can see on the right corner of this web page saying change your password, and click on this change button. Now as you can see again on the right corner of this web page saying change your password, put your old password here and put your new password here and confirm your new password again and click on change. Now as you can see, your password has been changed successfully, and that's how you reset your password on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.